Hi everyone, thanks for tuning in. Today's video is going to be how I got my basically setting up my new vanity. I never had a vanity before, but I watched a lot of YouTube videos on how to DIY a vanity. So here's just some clips. I did not fully record every single step, but I will put everything that I built, everything that you guys should know, need to know in the description box below. And I will also put the links of where I got my vanity from. I did get my vanity from Impressions. It was quote unquote on sale. I don't think it was on sale because it was still expensive as fuck. Anywho, yeah, so this is me right here just building the dressers. I got the dressers from Michaels. They were $116 a piece, but I did use a 20% off coupon for each one. And I think it total came out still like one something, $200, 40% off. Came out to like one something, which was okay with me. I was really trying to catch because I was watching a lot of other YouTube videos about how they got these same dressers from Michaels and they were only like $50. I was trying to catch that type of sale, but since this pandemic, everything has really not been like caught up or sped up to date yet. So I spent some money for this vanity, but I wanted it so bad. My birthday passed. I had wanted to do this for my birthday. So yeah, but it's okay. I'm happy with the results. I'm happy with everything that I did do. It was a journey. I did this all by myself, so I'm very proud of myself. I really am. It was interesting. The first day that I built my dresser, I thought it was gonna be extremely hard, but it really was not. Everybody else channel that I was watching, a lot of them were saying like it was so hard. It was so hard to build it, blah blah blah. But I really didn't find it hard. I really didn't. It was very easy. Like it wasn't as complicated as I thought it was gonna be based off on how everybody made it. I did kind of chip the wood a little bit. Sometimes I was pressing too hard or was, being a little bit too aggressive, trying to make sure everything sticks together or stays, in place. But other than that, it really wasn't that bad at all. So right here, I decided to add height to the dresser. I saw this from another YouTuber. She added height. So I went to Home Depot to get the heavy metal top plates, which is what I had to screw in. And then these little things that I'm taking the tags off are the extra height. It's like a extra stand. I can't remember the name of it, but once again, I am going to put everything in the description box. Yeah, that's what that looks like. Totals I had to get 8 top plates and 8 table legs, and I think total I spent was like $50 on it. So the dressers total was like 100 and something. The extra little height for the drawers were $50. So now we're at like $200 right now. And I got this electrical wireless drill. My dad gave it to me. I didn't have to pay for that, so we're gonna exclude that out the price range. Yeah, I just wanted to record myself so you guys can see me actually doing it. Eventually I'm going to paint the legs white, but for right now it really wasn't even something that I was too geeked about like hurrying up and doing, because I was so thirsty to get this vanity done. I really wanted to get the vanity done all in one day, but it took me 3 days to do it. So I had to take my time with it because I was still having to go to work. I couldn't just, do everything all in one day. But yeah. So everything is done. I put the legs on, and this is how high the table stands. I got the actual top from Lowe's. I had got a it's called a white top shelf. Once again, I'm gonna put everything in the description box. But yeah, so here is my before in my beauty room. I wanted to show you guys how it looked before, and then we are going to I ended up recording myself opening up everything, the impressions box, just in case, you know, when the delivery man bought the box to me, he was kind of like roughing it around, and I was like, Lord, please don't let me go off on this man. And he did ask me, he was like, what is in this box? And I was like, it's a vanity. He was like, oh. And then, you know, he kind of took his time with it. I helped him bring it up to the door, because this damn box was heavy as fuck. Anywho, inside the box was another box. So I'm very happy that Impressions did their thing with making sure that this was extra secure. And then inside the box, it was a bunch of bubble wrap and a lot of styrofoam, and I was so excited because I was like, yeah, this mirror ain't cracked at all. I already know it's not cracked, but I'm just showing you guys that this is me once again doing everything by myself. I wanted to make sure that you can do it by yourself. You know, if you put your mind to it, you don't always need somebody to help you out. But that was me just unboxing everything, and my room was cramped up because I had moved the entire everything that was on against this wall right here where I'm actually standing. I had to move it on the other side of the room, and it wasn't enough room. So I was just showing you guys what it looked like inside the box, and then I was trying to set it up again so y'all can see me open it, but it wasn't enough room. So boom, we fast forward. I told y'all I couldn't, you know, I couldn't what am I trying to say? I couldn't record it. It wasn't, if I had somebody there with me recording it, then you guys will be able to see me unbox the whole thing. But it was a struggle getting this thing up here by myself. I ain't even gonna lie. I damn near broke my back. I'm not even gonna front. But this is just me. Nothing fascinating, just me putting the bulbs in. They were very soft. They not glass bulbs, so I accidentally dropped one and I thought it was gonna break, but they're like plastic, so I think it's not gonna carry too much heat. Like, they're not gonna get hot. But y'all, I was so excited. Like, look how beautiful this vanity is. Like, look at that. I did cut off that extra excess of the marble adhesive that's on the top of that dresser. I did want to let y'all know I did cut that stuff off, because I know y'all looking at it like, what is that? So we are at the end of this video. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks, guys. I'll talk to you later.